Hello guys, I bet you good. Yes, I bet you good. Yes, so it has been long since I record other content. So today I'd like to get your views. Yes, your suggestions of which areas to adjust and also where to take you guys. So I should give you what you want, like if you need me to just actually the main thing is that I need you guys to help me to dwell on maybe on one content, like if it is traveling, just traveling, or if it is hotel. Like my content recently has been mixed up, like I do hotel, I do travel, and also yes, other lifestyle. So I would like to know on which side should I dwell on more. So I will only know this only if you comment and also share out and talk. And foremost, I would like to appreciate your support for subscribing to my channel to be able to watch my videos. And also I'll request you to share my videos so that I will get more views and also more subscribers to motivate me. Yes, so soon I have another surprise that I will launch another video very soon, but I'll do this only if I at least get 5 comments. Yes, be it positive or negative. Yes, thank you for your time.